Hi guys, welcome to another video. We're here in California, just doing our morning jog. It's a beautiful day, as always, and I want to talk to you about wine investment. Just telling you about something I've never really spoken about before, about how wine investment is a lifestyle investment rather than there's many investments out there that you can buy and sell, and not really many of them are related to lifestyle. Well, fine wine is an investment that is related to lifestyle, because when you invest in wine, you do improve your lifestyle. In fact, there's many things you can do when you invest into wine, but not only do you own an asset, a hard asset, as in a case of wine, but you're buying a piece of history where the chateaus themselves have such an amazing history going back many years, and visiting those chateaus is very interesting. When I go and I visit Bordeaux and I go and count cases of wine or bottles of wine in our warehouse, because we keep wines in Bordeaux as well as the UK in two different locations, and I enjoy my trips. I love it. I love going there. I get invited to some of the best chateaux. I can go and drink some of the best wine in the world. You don't have to drink. If you really enjoy beautiful buildings and architecture and enjoying the history of Bordeaux and different wineries, then you can take advantage of that without even drinking wine. You don't have to be a wine drinker. So there is a lot of added benefits to investing in wine, as opposed to just buying stocks and shares or buying something through your wealth manager, which doesn't really enhance your lifestyle, does it, other than the profits you make? But the beauty about wine investment is the profits are always there, providing you do it right. And it's simple to do it right, providing you have somebody like us who's not charging the earth, who's not charging huge margins for you to get into the investment, and not charging you to get out of the investment. It means you always get out with either a great profit or with your head above water. So that's really the key. I've only ever seen wine investment once go down in the market, which was in 2011. It went down for 2 or 3 years. Most of the wines recovered from that period. Some didn't, but 20-30% maybe that they actually lost, and that was like the worst ever possible time in history. If you take the worst ever time in history in the stock market, people lost 100%, right? So it's not possible with wine, because you own the actual wine, you own the physical asset. Same thing with a wine fund. I run a wine fund as well, but the wine fund owns assets of wine, and it owns the wines themselves. So the wine fund itself, there's always going to be that value there. So you have got some safety in terms of risk, and risk to reward is very little risk for great reward. So just some input there on how wine is as a lifestyle investment, and I've been working with some partners recently, and we're going to start putting some trips to Bordeaux together for investors, for clients of ours. So if you have any interest in that, then let me know. Where you bring your husband or wife on the trip and have a great holiday, and we go and visit some of the best chateaus in the world, some that you can't normally get through the door of. You can't just walk into some of these places that we go to, and I'm talking about Chateau Lafite Rothschild, Chateau Mouton Rothschild, the first growths, Latour, Margaux, Petrus, these kind of places where we don't just get in, but we get welcomed, with lunches and tastings of their wine and things like that. So a lot of great stuff to do coming up in the near future, and I just wanted to share that with you and talk a little bit about the lifestyle. So we're going to be talking a lot more about the lifestyle of the investment, and we're going to try and integrate things into the service of our business, which is going to help and improve your lifestyle, whilst at the same time investing your money and making good profit without stress. You know, as most of my clients will confirm to you that if ever you need to speak to a new client, or existing client, if you haven't spoken to any of my existing clients, and many of my clients will confirm this, that, you know, investing in wine is just very low risk, very stress-free, and doesn't give you any headaches at all. It's not like you have to monitor it every single day. You know, I do that, but that's my business. That's my business to do that, and part of my service to give a full portfolio management on every single client is part of my service that I offer. But I do that. But the investors themselves don't need to be looking at their portfolio every single day, unless you want to be a very active investor yourself, buying and selling the wine. But it makes no sense, because I don't charge any extra to manage the portfolio anyway. I'm thinking of applying a performance fee into the portfolio management service, but I'm going to do this for a year and see how it goes, and then let my clients decide. So, you know, fees to me are not important. The business growth and having a great lifestyle and running a successful business is what is important to me. So fees are, you know, making a quick buck now is not what I'm interested in. I'm interested in building clients into our business with good relationships over a very long period of time. And that's what we have. We have clients that have been with us for years and years and years. I mean, we've got clients my clients I've known for 20 years. Good friends, very close to me, very dear to me. So, yeah, just want to share that with you. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, just comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you like watching these videos and you want to hear about wine investment tips. And I'll be happy to reply if you send me an email, any questions or queries. Thanks for watching. Take care.